So today is my birthday, and between my girlfriend and my kids and my mom, they all chipped in and got me a present. And just by absolute luck, it arrived today. So let's take a look and see what we got. All right. Here we go. The knife, please. Thank you. It's a box full of paper. Ooh. It's a box of a box. I like that already. Don't need that box. I like that. How does it open here? How does it open? Let me in. Well, as you can see, this is what we got. All right, here we go. You have to be smarter than the packaging. No, still have to be smarter than the packaging. How in the world? Okay, I'm actually completely stumped now. How is it folded in there? Just, oh, okay, just like that. Like folded in like a box. Please and thank you. Nice. So, got the Rallyarmor flaps for my car. I am super stoked. Gonna have to add an installation video with this, I think. Let's see what comes in here. All right, let's get into here and see what we have. I had to get my lovely assistant to hold the camera for me because it's just not working. Nice. All the hardware, extra clips and everything. Beautiful. Wow. Knife could be sharper. Ooh, fancy. Honestly, I thought they were a hard rubber. These are like soft, like really soft. Nice. There we go. I'm digging that. I think that's gonna look super good. Oh, we got it all separated in here. Let's see. Wow, that's like, wow. That's like really separated. I like it. There's the back ones. I love it. Thank you to my family. I love you all. Now we need to get them on the car.